Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 50 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once your content is visible on your screen, meaning, all you will need to do is hold the power button and volume down at the same time. Once you release it, it captures the screenshot with a couple options like scroll, share, and this option will allow you to detect text on the image and then just straight up copy it from there. So that's a very nice option when you're trying to, for instance, get something like a bank account number. You can capture a photo and also utilize this through your AI gallery application. You'll have that option in there as well. Which, talking about the gallery, let's open it up. And you can see the screenshot that I've captured is visible right here at the very front, but it also might be easier for you to find it later on down the line by going into the albums, and in albums you'll have screenshots album. Obviously in here you'll find screenshots and then nothing else. And here is the one that I have captured a moment ago. And also talking about the option that I mentioned before, here you have the T option. You click on it, give it a moment. And you can see now I can select text from here and just copy it and then paste it wherever I want. But in any case, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.